Yeah, welcome to the new channel Code with Afidhu. This channel deal with coding. We will learn the different programming language, method, tools, and so on. So the purpose of this channel to share idea, concept, ways, and technique about coding. So in this series, we are going to start the Dart as a programming language. Okay? Yeah, come into the Dart. What is the Dart? Dart is the open source client optimized programming language developed by Google for building fast multiple platform application for mobile, web, desktop, and the backend development. So we see that that is a good language to learn because it is developed by the big company like Google. Also it produces many products like mobile, web, desktop, and the backend development like the server. Okay. So why is that? The reason of to learn that because it is used with Flutter. So our focus is to learn Flutter. Before learning Flutter, we start with the Dart because Dart is the programming language that is used in the Flutter framework. Okay, so Flutter is the framework, and the Dart is the programming language. For example, for those who learn the Django, so you must have the concept of the Python because the Django as the framework and the Python is the programming language. So as well as to here, Flutter is the framework and that is the programming language. Okay, Flutter allows us to build the Android and the iOS app using the single code base. So the purpose of the Flutter to build the multi-platform to build the multi-platform. It builds the Android platform, iOS platform, desktop application, web, and so on. That is the language behind the Flutter. So we start with it to learn that because it is used for Flutter as the core language of the Flutter framework. Okay. Yeah, why that is used? With that you can build the mobile app using the Flutter web application, desktop application, and the backend service. So that you can build all this through the Dart. So we are required to learn that because we get this advantage at once. Okay. Yeah, is that hard? Some person ask if that is a heavy and hard programming language to learn. It is not on. That is simple programming language. Don't worry, it is simple like the other programming language. If you don't have the concept of the Dart, so this channel and this series you can learn that from the scratch and you will become the mobile developer by using the Flutter because you have the full solid understanding of the Dart. That is the easy to learn, simple syntax. It is the very beginner friend. So if you don't have the inner concept of the programming language, come to this channel. You can learn from the scratch and you will build the real world application. So that is not hard programming language. What is required in the Dart programming language? So to learn Dart programming language, only required things are computer, your computer, if you have PC, laptop, desktop, and so on. If you have that, you can learn Dart programming language, VS Code, Dart setting. This all will be doing later. How to store VS Code, how to store Dart, we will do in next video. Some basics of programming language. If you have the basics of programming language like JavaScript, Python, and the others, if you have the concept of that, maybe like C#, C++. If you have that concept, that is a bonus to you. If you don't have those concepts, stay in this channel, you will get the more and more. So I welcome you to next video that we will deal with installation of that programming language, setup in computer, and VS Code. So bye bye.